is that you're saying is the most common thing that causes snoring. So let's talk about what happens.
Yeah.
So what's happening in the mouth? You mentioned the position of the tongue.
Mm.
And is that you're saying is the most common thing that causes snoring?
Snoring is the sound of vibration of the air as it passes through an airway narrowing, and it can really happen anywhere. It's actually quite a multifactorial problem. But at the end of the day, what we don't recognize in healthcare is that nasal breathing is the key to optimal health and optimal sleep.